All right, last recap of the week. What do we have here? We have Friday's PA. Already looking from this, you can see Friday took previous daily lows, and I know what happened. It's pretty clean. It's good. Let's go into it. So first of all, where are we in price? We are in the premium of our overall bearish range. We are above old highs. Old highs meaning above liquidity. So liquidity has been taken, and we have liquidity to target. Where's the momentum? Momentum's pretty bullish, but after we took this high, price started to slow down, as you can see. Like from the 3rd until the 11th, like 2 weeks, 2 weeks of very intense bullish price action. Took an internal liquidity high, and we got the slowdown. Same on the weekly. Last week was a slowdown. This week we took previous weekly lows and stayed within the previous weekly candle. Then the 4 hour, where are we? We had this bearish range formed here, and it's still holding, but as you can see, buyers stepped in, and in my opinion, because of Thanksgiving, but price wasn't really that strong on the way down. So what do I expect from now, or where's price most likely to go on this time frame? Well, following the structure, price is most likely to go down based on the most recent range that we have here, which we can now mark out like this. Price is most likely to go up. So bit conflicting. Looking at the candle closures again, not really strong bearish hands, but this is some bullish strength, and then it just stopped. So not really sure where to go next week. We'll see on Monday. Then what happened on Friday? Because that's why we're here. Daily recap. Asia took this internal high, took New York highs, fake break of structure, as you can see. And then we took previous daily lows. So basically liquidity grabbed to the upside. And then we didn't take Asia high because we already grabbed internal range liquidity. And then we continued to the downside. We had these ranges going on. Oh, wrong one. From high down to low. And again from high down to low. Fake break structure. And then the upside, I already marked this out like not a strong break structure, so I was expecting price to come lower. Then what happened? Internal on Friday, Thursday, we created this structure. Low, high, discount, higher low, higher high. Based on that, we could have traded this range coming into Friday rough. Oh my days. Coming into Friday morning, we have a clean 5-minute POI over here, which gets invalidated. That's perfect. Because why is that perfect? Because we have this clean wick. And why is this wick so clean? Because it's the biggest clean I've ever seen. No, it's the cleanest wick. It's a clean wick because it disrupted these lows. These are some lows that led to new highs. As you can see, low, high, and yeah. So that's like disruption of flows. Then we got this internal range liquidity. And then what happened? We got our early buyers. I missed this trade, but I know Finit. I think Finit think it took a straight. Early buyers taken out. Bullish break of structure. And I was at the charts and I saw that we stayed inside range, and I was like, okay, Friday is not the day I want to trade today. But nonetheless, what happened? This is perfect. This is so clean, actually. Oh, I'm almost proud of him. I am proud of him. I'm proud of everyone that's working hard. But look at this. Early buyers taken out. Bullish break of structure. Trading a perfect, clean internal range liquidity low. Then building up this liquidity to the upside. Perfect target. Long entry. There's even a confirmation-based entry. What is this? Oh my goodness. Okay. 94. 5 pips below. 0.57. Oh my. What a trade. What a trade. That's clean that I missed that. I was like, okay, this break structure is so weak, we're going lower. So I was not looking for longs, to be fair. Well, yeah, that's like a scalp. This is why you have to really focus up when you're scalping. But there were so many ranges. We had this range, then we had this bullish range, then we had this bearish range, and I was not really wanting to buy in this bullish range because every other range was bearish to me. But clean nonetheless. Fit the drill. Yeah. Then what else can we see here? Coming into Asia high, following the idea of that we have to still achieve a discount in this bullish range from here up to here, because this is a point that we broke structure. We can expect shorts. We can expect shorts. We got this break. We have this break. What else do we have? We have 5-minute POI. You'll see it in the 1 minute already because of the gap. We have a 50-minute POI. Ooh, let's clean again. What is this? What is this? It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. 50-minute POI. People think I'm crazy if they watch this. Like, what is this guy doing? These word. These weird voices. But look at this. Come on. PA is clean, man. Low, high, internal highs, internal high taken. So this is a high that led to a new low. Then we got our early sellers. Then what happens? Well, this is, well, it's not the cleanest. I wouldn't take it. But yeah. Break structure to the downside. Then we got the buildup of the liquidity to the downside. And this was the weakest bullish break ever. So looking for shorts. What can we then see? No entry here. Unless you like to enter from this. Like, okay. Early sellers taken out. And then to the downside. Otherwise, we have a 5-minute POI again. Over here. And then a 1-minute confirmation based. But there's one but, because I was watching this trade. I couldn't take this trade because it's outside of my trading time, 1. And 2, there were no early sellers. But look at this. You could class this as your early sellers because of the equals. So we got a reaction from this POI or this order block. And then way up. Yeah. Entry over here. One to 10, like a master man. Fire, clean as day. Coming into New York. Not New York shit. Period. So yeah, that happened. That was Friday, especially Friday London, because Friday New York was like my Twitter trash. Um, yeah, not a strong BOS. I already said it. So two trades. One that fitted my plan, but was so many internal range structures, so internal that they don't want to look there. And then two, one that missed the confidence early sellers, but had everything else. So yeah, now we reached the discount of this black range. That being said, I'm expecting some bullish moves. That's the recap. Hope you enjoy it. Hope I can learn from it. I discussed both sides of the market this time, which with I'm happy. English rugging me. I'm happy with that because my last forecast I forgot to discuss both sides, both sides. Um, yeah, that's it. It's festival time. Peace up, A-Town.